Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be making a mushroom pencil holder from an old jam jar. I first mix a little water and cement and pour the mix into a bowl. I have placed a jar with the opening at the bottom in the center of the bowl. Once it's dry, I roll out some air dry clay and cut a rectangle for the door and 2 circles for the windows. I then add detailing to the dough like so. I also add wooden texture with my knife tool. Once this is dry, I paint the mushroom red and add shading to it. I use a bluish red on the top and gradually lighten the red by mixing orange and yellow to it. I add multiple layers of paint like so. I then paint the rest of the jar of whitish color and also paint in the doors and windows. I then stick on some cold porcelain clay for moss and add texture with the tweezers. Then use a flower mold to add flowers. I also add in some pansies I made from some cold porcelain clay from a failed art project. In the end, I also stick in some vines too. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cold porcelain content.